My name is Deanna Shoyoye. I am the proud Assistant Director of Admissions at the Westminster Schools in Atlanta. We are here at the first STEM Gym Saturdays in conjunction with the STEM Gyms organization in our school. For me, today's event is really just about aligning passion, purpose, and possibility. I truly believe in all of the efforts of Stephanie and the STEM Gym team just to expose young ladies to the pathways for their future professions and careers. And as a parent and an educator, that is something that I bring to my life and to my work daily.
Hey, I'm Marjorie Mitchell and just delighted to have STEM Gyms here with us at Westminster. I've known Stephanie for well over a decade and I've watched her grow what started as a tutoring business, and she and I worked together with families who needed help with math tutoring. And to watch her stay so dedicated to this extraordinarily important mission of exposing girls to the STEM fields has just been amazing to watch.
Hello everybody, I'm Stephanie Espy, the author and founder of STEM Gyms. Today we have an amazing day here at Westminster. The girls participated in 3 different activities. We had fun with fractals, we had disease detectives, and we also had a bridge building activity. We were so honored and excited to hear from 3 phenomenal women in STEM. Georgia Tech PhD students studying mechanical engineering, bioengineering, and biomedical engineering. Their journeys, insights, advice, and gems left us all inspired and motivated. We were so happy to be here at Westminster today. Thank you so much for having us for our first ever Saturday sessions. We look forward to our next event, our STEM Gym Summit, which is going to be on Pi Day, March 14th, 2026 at Spelman College. Please make sure you follow us on social media, and we look forward to seeing you there.